One of the reasons I turned to this field was, I'll have to admit, of a practical nature. I wanted a set of skills, a career that I would be very employable in. I love to teach. At the end of the day or the end of the week, end of my career, I wanted to kind of be able to say that I've done some good. This is my 24th year. I went back to graduate school when I decided to do this when I was 39 years old. My role has a lot of variety to it. We are what's called a transition campus, and so we're preparing our students to graduate and be out in the world. Here in Michigan, we service special education students to the age of 26. Any spare moment that you have in your busy lives to try to just get in the buildings, get your eyes on, your ears on, your hands on, and shadow, observe, possibly volunteer. Be a great opportunity to really see what happens. I spend a lot of time in classrooms and in this school, but I also spend quite a bit of time outside of the school in the community. We have 2 personal social skills curriculums that we're working on, teaching students that if they get in a negative spot, that there are coping skills that we can teach them to help them change the channel on their emotions. When we go into the community, we go just so many different places. We might go to a restaurant, a sit-down restaurant, having students communicate with people they aren't familiar with, asking questions, ordering, using manners within that setting, asking for help from a store worker if they can't find an item. It's absolutely the students that are the #1 reward for me. They're just, they're funny, they're charming. They love one-on-one attention. We give them whatever supports they need to be successful. You don't necessarily have to get the teacher certification right off the bat. You could try different fields and always come back to it as a possibility. It's important to realize how big the umbrella is in the field of special education. Jobs from being a resource room teacher in a big general education building, to being an itinerant like myself, along with PTs and OTs and social workers, school psychologists.